equilateral triangle of side 6.5 centimeter and locates its orthocenter. What is given, children? Equilateral triangle. What is the properties of equilateral triangle? All three sides are equal. Here one side is given as 6.5 centimeter. That means you can take AB, BC and AC equal to 6.5 centimeter. You can take equilateral triangle. So okay, AB, BC, AC 6.5 centimeter. You can consider a triangle, equilateral triangle ABC. It's clear, children? You can consider equilateral triangle ABC, right? To construct what? Orthocenter. Now you are going to draw the rough diagram. So A, B and C. A, B and C. AB equal to 6.5 centimeter. BC also 6.5 centimeter and AC also 6.5 centimeter. Actually our aim is to construct what? Orthocenter, right? Orthocenter. For that you need three vertices given. You select any two vertices and you have to draw the altitude. Okay. So we consider A from vertex A altitude and from C. It's clear, children? Now this point, both the lines intersect at point H. This H is the orthocenter. This is a rough diagram, children. Now you are going to draw a fair diagram. With the help of rough diagram, you can draw a fair diagram. First draw AB equal to how many centimeter? AB equal to 6.5 centimeter. Draw a line. AB equal to 6.5 centimeter. It's clear, children? AB equal to 6.5 centimeter. It's clear, children? AB equal to 6.5 centimeter. Now with the help of compass you are going to measure AB, measure 6.5 centimeter. 6.5 centimeter. It's clear. From A you draw an arc, radius 6.5 centimeter. Again from B draw another arc to cut the previous arc. Radius is 6.5 centimeter. Now both the arcs intersect at point C. So AC is what? 6.5 centimeter. Join AC and join BC. After joining you get what? A triangle. Equilateral triangle. It's clear, children? Now from A as center you are going to take any radius. Okay. You are going to find what? Altitude from vertex A. Okay. From vertex A. So you should cut like this. Okay. Cut the arc like this. Okay, with same measurement. Okay. Now A as you take scale and draw a line. Okay. Keep exactly, children, dotted lines. It's clear, children? Again from C, from vertex C. From vertex C. It's clear. Again from same measurement, same radius. Okay. You should not change the radius, children. Okay. Now with the help of scale, from this point to this point. Okay. Draw dotted lines. The point of intersection of altitude H is the orthocenter of the given triangle ABC. Now this point is orthocenter. It's clear, children? This point is H. Is the orthocenter. It's clear, children? Now we'll write the steps for construction. First step, draw the triangle ABC with given measurement. With given measurements. Construct altitudes from any two vertices A and C to the opposite side BC and AB respectively. Third one, the point of intersection of the altitude H is the orthocenter of the given triangle ABC. It's clear, children? We have completed sixth one. See how to number of times practice, children, and only you give a clear idea. You'll get a clear idea. Okay. Now we'll see next sum. Number 7. Draw a triangle ABC where AB equal to 6 centimeter, angle B is equal to 110 degree and BC equal to 5 centimeter. Construct its orthocenter. Children, read the question carefully. What is given? Triangle ABC. AB equal to 6 centimeter, angle B equal to 110 degree and BC equal to 5 centimeter. You have to construct orthocenter. First you draw a rough diagram. So I consider this point as A, B. AB is equal to 6 centimeter, angle B equal to 110 degree and B2C is 5 centimeter. It's clear, children? Okay. So I'm going to take two vertices. That is one from B and another from C. From B and another from C. It's clear, children? Actually, I aim is to find what? Orthocenter. It's clear? Is to find orthocenter. From B, one line. Again from C. So both the line intersect at G. Sorry, H. H is the orthocenter. It's clear, children? Right. This is rough diagram, children. Now we'll go for fair diagram. Draw AB equal to how many centimeter? Draw AB equal to 6 centimeter. Draw AB equal to 6 centimeter. It's clear, children? See? Draw AB equal to 6 centimeter. AB equal to 6 centimeter. Right? Now B as center. Now BC equal to 5 centimeter is given. B as center. Take radius 5 centimeter and cut an arc. BC is equal to 5 centimeter. B as radius. It's clear, children. Now B as center. With the help of protractor, you are going to take 110 degree. See, children, from point B, right? Starting with 0, 10. See, always the point is here. the line towards your left side, okay, towards your left side, right, the point you see where it starts 0. 0 is coming outer side, so you take outer side 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. Point lies here. Like make a dot and draw a line, okay, draw a line. That line you consider as X. Consider this point as X, and this point is on the Vx, a curve intersect at a point C. Now join AC, join AC. BC is 5 centimeter. It's clear, children? Now you have to select any two vertices. First we will start with B, okay? We will start with B, and you have to find what to do here. You will start with B and you have to draw what? Altitude, okay, from B. So for that you take compass. With the help of compass, again from here, again from here. It's clear, children? Now extend the line. It's clear, children? Right. Again from C how to take. Again from C, again draw a line, right. Again from C, A. So it's coming too far. Okay. See, children, the point lies here. It goes like this. So nothing to worry, children. You can extend the line AB. Okay, you extend the line AB. See, I am going to extend the line AB. Okay, you have extended. Okay, again with same radius, we are going to cut an arc, right? Same radius. Now, from C to this point, okay, from C to this point. See, both the red lines are not intersected. So what I am going to do is, from vertex B, I am going to extend the line. It's clear. Now it is intersected. Both the red lines are intersected. Okay. Now both the lines at this point is what? H. It's clear, children? This is ortho center. It's clear, children? This is ortho center. This is ortho center. Can see clearly, children? Angle is 110 degree. So you have to check all these values and all you have written or not. Then only you can get full marks. Steps for construction. First one, draw the triangle ABC with given measurement. Second point, construct altitudes from any two vertices B and C to their opposite sides AC and BC respectively. And third point, the point of intersection of the altitude h is the orthocenter of the given triangle ABC. It's clear, children? So we have completed seventh sum. Draw and locate the orthocenter of a right triangle PQR where PQ equal to 4.5 cm, QR equal to 6 cm and PR equal to 7.5 cm. Solution given: a right triangle PQR. PQ is what? 4.5 cm. QR is what? 6 cm. PR equal to 7.5 cm. To construct what? Orthocenter of a right triangle. Rough diagram. So it should be a right angle triangle. So children, here two measurement PQ, QR and PR values given. PQR, so I can take Q as 90 degree and P and R. Okay, now PQ measurement is 4.5 centimeter, QR is 6 centimeter and PR is 7.5 centimeter. Now you are going to take any two vertices. Okay, so you can take from Q and P. Okay, from Q and P. And from P. Fair diagram. Draw PQ equal to 4.5 centimeter. PQ equal to 4.5 centimeter. It's clear, children? 4.5 centimeter. This point is PQ 4.5 centimeter. It's clear, children? Now Q is what? 90 degree, because it is we are considering a right triangle. Okay, so take 90 degree. Using protractor, mark 90 degree and draw a line. This 90 degree. It's clear, children? 90 degree. Right. Now Q as center, take radius 6 centimeter, cut an arc. You are going to take 6 centimeter as radius and you are going to cut an arc. So this one is X, this line PX. Okay. Cut at PX 6 centimeter. Now this point is R. It's clear, children? Now P to R. P to R should be 7.5 centimeter. Yes, 7.5 centimeter exactly. 7.5 centimeter. And this is 6 centimeter. So you got a triangle, children, right? Triangle PQR. Now to find orthocenter, so we have selected point P and Q. It's clear, children? Now P as center, cut arc like this, right? Now I extend the line. With same radius. It's clear, children? Now from point P, right? You're going to draw a text. Altitude. It's clear, children? again from point Q, from Q vertex. Okay, how to draw altitude, children? For that, cut an arc like this with same radius. Now from point Q, so the point lies here. This point is H. Explanation: this is ortho center. It's clear. Now steps for construction. First point, draw triangle PQR with given measurements. Construct altitude from any two vertices P and Q to the opposite side QR and PR respectively. Third point, the point of intersection of the altitude H is the orthocenter of the given triangle PQR. It's clear, children? By this we have completed exercise 4.5. Thank you. Good morning, students. This is Bharat Kumar. You are going to see 9th Maths Chapter 4 Geometry, new exercise 4.6. First question. Draw a triangle ABC where AB equal to 8 cm, BC equal to 6 cm and angle B equal to 70 degree, and locate its circumcenter and draw the circumcircle. It's clear, children? What is given? You are going to construct a circumcenter and draw the circumcircle. So what is given? A triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, AB equal to 8 cm, BC equal to 6 cm, angle B equal to 70 degree. You are going to find circumcircle. So what is given here? Circumcircle, that is circumcenter. Okay, circumcircle. That means inside the circle you have to draw a triangle. Okay, so AB is equal to 8 cm. AB equal to 8 cm and BC is equal to 6 cm. It's given AB equal to 8 cm, BC equal to 6 cm. Angle B is equal to 70 degree. Okay, you're going to find the circumradius. You're going to find the circumradius. It's clear, children? First we'll do right. Based on rough diagram, you're going to draw fair diagram. Draw AB equal to 8 cm. Draw AB equal to 8 cm. It's clear, children? Keep point here. Draw AB equal to 8 cm. With the help of protractor, you are going to make an angle 70 degree. Okay, from angle B you are going to take how many degree? 70 degree. See, children, how I am taking from here, right? From this point to towards your left. Where is 0? 0 is here. It's clear, children? 0 is here. 0 is here, right? 0 to how many degree here? 70 degree. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So 70. Make point like this. It's clear, children? Then after making a point, draw a straight line. Draw a straight line. You consider this line as x. It's clear, children? This is how many degree? 70 degree. From BC line, you have to take radius 6 centimeter and cut an arc. Okay. Now we are going to measure how many centimeter? 6 centimeter. Exactly, you are going to take 6 centimeter, right? From B, take B to X, take 6 centimeter and cut an arc. It will intersect on the line BX. So this portion is, you consider as C. This point is C. So 6 centimeter. It's clear, children. Now we are going to join the line. Join A and C. It's clear, children. Join A and C. Now you are going to construct a perpendicular bisector of AB. You are going to find a perpendicular bisector of any two sides. So you have AB, BC and AC. You take any two sides. I am going to consider AB and BC with the two sides. So you are going to take perpendicular bisector. So that is, you have to take more than half from AB, right? It's clear, children? From here, it's clear, children. Again from B, and again from this portion. Okay, now we make it as dotted line. Clear, children? Again same way for the line BC, you are going to draw a perpendicular bisector. Again from C with same radius. Draw a line. Both the perpendicular line intersect at this point. Yes. Yes. Now A, S, BS and CS as radius. You are going to draw the circumcircle, right? AB, AC and BS, AS, BS and CS. Exactly, it should intersect the vertices of the triangle. It's clear, children? Now you have to find circumcircle, that is, okay, circumcenter and circumradius. Okay, that is, you're going to find circumradius. That means you're going to measure from S to A, B or C. Okay, so I'm going to measure S to B. S to B, you get 4.3 centimeter. It's clear, children? You get 4.3 centimeter. This is the solution, children. 4.3 centimeter. That is, AS is equal to BS is equal to CS is equal to 4.3 centimeter. After drawing a fair diagram, you are going to write step for construction. It's clear, children? Right. First step, draw a triangle ABC with given measurement. construct the perpendicular bisector of AB and BC any two sides and let them meet at S, which is the circumcenter, with S as center and SA, SB, SC as radius. Draw the circumcircle to passes through A, B and C. So circumradius equal to, that is 4.3 centimeter. 4.3 centimeter. It's clear, children? By this we have completed question number 2. We will see second one. Construct the right triangle PQR whose perpendicular sides are 4.5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Also locate its circumcenter and draw circumcircle. It's clear, children? What is given? A right triangle. Okay, PQR. So measurement is one is 4.5 and 6 centimeter. Okay, find circumradius. So I'm going to take PQ as from the draw a rough diagram. PQ is equal to 6 centimeter and PR equal to 4.5 centimeter. It's clear, children? An angle is 90 degree because the right angle triangle angle is 90 degree. Now we are going to find circumradius. So after drawing rough diagram, you are going to draw a fair diagram. It's clear, children? First draw PQ equal to 6 centimeter. Draw PQ equal to 6 centimeter. With the help of scale, take exactly PQ equal to 6 centimeter. PQ equal to 6 centimeter. With the help of protractor, you are going to draw 90 degree. The help of protractor. See, children, from here, right? From here, this point the line comes towards your right side. So 0, 180 is there. Start with 0. So you want 90 degree. So 0, 20, 30, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 is here. Right? Take a point, dot, and extend the line. Draw a straight line. You mark this point as X. This is 90 degree. Then PR value is 4.5 centimeter. PR value is 4.5 centimeter. With the help of scale, measure 4.5 centimeter. 4.5 centimeter. Right. From P as center of radius 4.5 centimeter, cut an R. This point is R. Now PR value is 4.5 centimeter. Join QR. You get a triangle PQR. It's clear, children? Right. Now three sides you have. One is PQ, QR and PR. You take any two sides, that is I am going to consider PQ and PR. PQ and PR. You are going to draw a perpendicular bisector. So from line PQ with same radius, Q as center, take same measurement and cut on a previous arc. Now with the help of the scale, join the line, both arcs. Then from PR, again you are going to take perpendicular bisector. Again from R as radius, cut an arc, should cut the previous arc. It's clear, children? Now join both the lines. Now this point is S. Now PS, QS and RS as radius. You are going to draw a circle. PS, RS and QS. You draw a circle, so it exactly intersect the point P, Q and P, Q and R. That's clear, children? Now you have to find the circumradius. Okay, so circumradius from here I am going to measure 3.8 exactly. So circumradius is 3.8. So I can write here also PS is equal to QS equal to RS equal to 3.8 centimeter. It's clear, children? 3.8 centimeter. After that you have to write the construction for this. Right, first step is draw the triangle PQR with given measurement. Construct the perpendicular bisector of PQ and PR any two sides and let them meet at S, which is the circumcenter, with S as center and SP equal to SQ and equal to SR as radius. Draw the circle to passes to PQR. Circumradius is 3.8 centimeter. It's clear, children? This is the solution for this. You can see next sum. 3. Construct triangle ABC with AB equal to 5 centimeter, angle B equal to 100 degree and BC equal to 6 centimeter. Also locate its circumcenter. Draw circumcircle. Children, read the question carefully. What is given? Triangle ABC is given. You are going to construct triangle ABC. Measurements are AB equal to 5 centimeter, angle B equal to 100 degree and BC equal to 6 centimeter. You have to find circumcenter and circumcircle. That means you are going to find circumradius, right? Now what you are going to do is first draw a circle, right, and make a triangle ABC. What is AB equal to 5 centimeter? Angle B is equal to 100 degree. From B to C is 6 centimeter. Okay, this is a rough diagram. Okay, with the rough diagram you are going to draw a fair diagram. It's clear, children? Now fair diagram. AB equal to, draw a line AB equal to 5 centimeter. AB equal to 5 centimeter. Angle B is equal to 100 degree. With the help of protractor you are going to mark an angle 50 degree, sorry 100 degree towards the left side, that is outer angle. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Point lies here, children. Now extend the line. Make this line as x, bx. Now take BC is equal to 6 centimeter is given. With the help of compass measure 6 centimeter. From the line BX cut an arc. Radius BC equal to 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Join AC. Now you are going to draw a perpendicular bisector of any two sides. There are three sides, AB, BC and AC. Now I am going to choose AB and BC. It's clear, children? Now you are going to take more than half. With A as center, take more than half. And B as center, which should cut the previous arc. With the help of scale, draw a perpendicular bisector. It's clear, children? Now Same way for the line BC, you are going to draw a perpendicular bisector. B as center, draw a perpendicular bisector, and C as center. It should cut the previous arc. Now draw a perpendicular bisector. Draw a line. The perpendicular bisector. Both the line intersect at the point S. Now S as center. Draw a circle of radius SA equal to SB equal to SC. So with the help of compass, SA equal to SB equal to SC. It's clear, children? Draw a circle. It should intersect ABC. It's clear. Now SB is the angle of 100 degree. Now with the help of scale, join the line SB. The measure is 4.3 centimeter. 4.3 centimeter. So AS equal to BS equal to CS is equal to 4.3 centimeter. It's clear, children? Now steps for construction. Draw the triangle ABC with the given measurements. Second one, construct the perpendicular bisector of any two sides AB and BC and let them meet at S, which is the circumcenter, with S as center and SA equal to SB equal to SC as radius. Draw the circumcenter to passes through ABC. Circumradius is 4.3 centimeters. Circumradius 4.3 centimeter. It's clear, children? By this we are completing third sum. We will see fourth one. Let us see fourth one. 4. Construct an isosceles triangle PQR where PQ equal to PR and angle P equal to 50 degree, QR equal to 7 centimeter, and also draw its circumcircle. Children, what is given? An isosceles triangle. Okay, triangle PQR. What is given condition? PQ equal to PR. Two sides are equal and angle Q is equal to 50 degree is there, and another side QR equal to 7 centimeter. So that isosceles triangle, what is the property means? Two sides are equal and opposite angles are equal. So I'm going to take BQR as a base. So draw QR equal to 7 centimeter. Then angle Q equal to 50 degree and angle R equal to 50 degree. Both lines intersect at point P. Now PQ and PR are equal is given. So equal, right? Now you are going to find circumradius for this. It's clear, children? Now we can draw fair diagram. Draw QR equal to 7 centimeter. QR equal to 7 centimeter. Draw QR equal to 7 centimeter. QR equal to 7 centimeter. It's clear, children? Then you are going to take angle Q equal to 50 degree. With the help of protractor, you are going to mark 50 degree. It's clear, children? See, from Q. This is from Q. The line towards your right side, right? The 0, 180 is there. You start with 0. That is inner part. So inner angle, that is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. That is angle is 50 degree. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So inner angle is 50 degree. So mark here, right? Join the line. You consider this line as X. 50 degree, and same way from R you have to mark 50 degree. This towards your left side. So outer angle 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So both the line, that is you can consider R, Y intersect at point P. Now the given condition is PQ equal to PR. It's clear, children? So opposite angles are equal for isosceles triangle. Now you are going to draw a perpendicular bisector. You will be having three sides, PQ, QR and PR. You take any two sides. So we will select QR with the help of compass. You have to take draw a perpendicular bisector. It's clear, children, right? From Q to R. Draw an arc. In from arc, it should cut the previous arc. Now join the line, you get a perpendicular bisector. It's clear, children? And same way for the line PR. The RS center, cut an arc. In from PS center, cut the previous arc. With the help of the scale, draw a perpendicular bisector. Both the line intersect at the point S. S is the circumcenter of the triangle PQR. With SS center, SP, SQ and SR as radius. SP, SQ and SR as radius. Draw a circle. It's clear, children. Now you're going to find circle. SR is equal to, exactly you get 3.5 centimeter. That is RS equal to QS equal to PS equal to 3.5 centimeter. Now steps for construction. Draw the triangle ABC with given measurements. Construct the perpendicular bisector of any two sides QR and PR and let them meet at S. S is the circumcenter of triangle PQR with SS center. SP equal to SQ equal to SR as radius. Draw the circle. Circum radius is what? 3.5 centimeter. So thank you, children. 8. Construct a triangle ABC in which AB equal to BC equal to 6 centimeter and angle B equal to 80 degree. Locates its incenter and draw the incircle. See, children, what is given? A triangle ABC is given, right? AB and BC are both are same, that is 6 centimeter and angle B equal to 80 degree. Children, two sides are equal means it is a what? Isosceles triangle, right? Okay. Now AB is equal to AB equal to 6 centimeter, BC equal to 6 centimeter and B equal to 80 degree to draw in center and to find in radius. It's clear, children. Now AB is equal to 6 centimeter and BC is equal to 6 centimeter. It's clear, children. And angle B is equal to 80 degree. Right, angle B is equal to 80 degree. Okay. Now, after drawing a rough diagram, you have to draw a fair diagram. Take scale and measure or draw AB equal to 6 centimeter. AB equal to 6 centimeter. It's clear, children? AB equal to 6 centimeter. AB equal to 6 centimeter. Right? Now, be a center. Take an angle 80 degree with the help of protractor. That is outer angle 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 60. So 8 degree you have to take. 70, 80. So 80 degree. And extend the line. I consider this as X. How many degree? 80 degree. Right? Now BC is equal to 6 centimeter. BC equal to 6 centimeter. So you take exactly 6 centimeter from B on the line BX. Point C. Right? 6 centimeter. Right? Join AC. You get a triangle. It's clear, children? Now you have to draw a perpendicular bisector of any two angles. You are going to take A and B. Okay? It's clear, children? Now with the help of compass, A as center, right? Take any radius, cut the line AB and cut another line AC. With same point, with same radius, draw another arc. Again from this point, cut the previous arc. It's clear, children? Now, from angle A, we're going to draw the angle bisector. Extend the line, right? And from B, same way, take any radius, that is you're going to draw angle bisector. It's clear, children? Should cut the line BC and AB. From this again you draw an arc. Again from it should cut the previous arc. Now with the help of the scale, draw a perpendicular angle, that is from B. Angle bisector of B. Okay. Both the lines, angles in the angle bisector intersect at the point I. Now with I as center, you are going to draw a straight line. That is it's not a problem. So you can extend the line here. You want to get a straight line, right? Clear, children? Same measurement from here. Draw an arc. Again from here. Should cut the previous arc. Now join the line. Okay, and consider this point as D. Now I to D is measured. This will get 1.9 centimeter. 1.9 centimeter, that is in radius. In radius, ID equal to 1.9 centimeter. Now ID as center, draw a circle. Now ID and center, see children, I am going to draw a circle, right? It touches the line AC and it touches another line BC and it touches another line AC. It's clear, children? This is in center and in circle, right? Now steps for construction. First step, draw the triangle AB with draw the triangle ABC with AB equal to 6 centimeter, angle B equal to 80 degree and BC equal to 6 centimeter. Construct the angle bisector of any two angles B, A and B and let them meet at I. Then I is the incenter of triangle ABC. Draw the perpendicular from I to any one of the side AB to meet AB at D. with I as center and ID as radius. Draw the circle. This circle touches all the sides of the triangle internally. Measure of in radius, that is equal to 1.9 centimeter. It's clear, children? By this we have completed exercise 4.6. Thank you.